Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to delete a card on Skrill. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Skrill application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Skrill if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the top side of the screen, we have the Add, Transfer, and Exchange. In the bottom, we have 5 tabs, which are the Home, Card, Crypto, Sports, and the bottom right corner, where we have the Rewards tab. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and delete a card on Skrill. So firstly, go to the Skrill website and open the Skrill, or of course, open the mobile which app where we are at the moment. Then navigate to the deposit section. After navigating there, click on Select Payment Method and choose Pay with your credit or debit card. Click the Settings button next to the card you wish to, of course, go and delete. And click on Delete Card and confirm the deletion. Once you completed these steps, the card will be removed from your Skrill account. And that's basically how you can do it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So, if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.